How many of you remember the app I introduced a while ago that pays you to watch videos using glasses? Yes, Cheelee. Since then, I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys about the platform. I know some of you are still confused, like, Jessica, this app is somehow or I don't even understand how to withdraw from it at all. If that sounds like you, then this video is for you. Just make sure you watch to the end because I'll be showing you everything step by step and there will be no confusion after you watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your very first time seeing this face, my name is Jessica and you are super welcome. On this channel, we talk about secret online tips and tricks that no one really tells you, teaching you how to make legit money online and achieve success for free. If the type of content interests you and you would like to join our moving cast train, there's only one thing you need to do. Hit that subscribe button, trust me, it's free, and then tap the little bell beside it. Why? Because that's how you get notified instantly when I upload new videos. Do that now so you don't miss out. Now, let's dive straight into it. Today, we're talking about Cheelee, and I'll be breaking down the main things you've been asking me, especially how to withdraw, how to earn properly, and the truth about the glasses. Nah, not those glasses. Let me start by showing you how much I earned. You see this? Yes, I got this and withdrew it from Cheelee. Stay tuned to the end. I will show you the fastest method I used to withdraw my earnings. Now let me clear something up, because many people have this idea that once you register, you just start seeing the money. It doesn't work like that. You need to be active and you need to use the right glasses. Know this, the higher the glasses worth, the higher the earnings. Want to know how much you earn? Here's how to know how much you can actually earn. Cheelee has something called an income calculator. I'll show you now. Here, you select your glasses, like this one, the element glass, and the calculator shows you the daily earning range, meaning the range of amounts you can earn when you buy the element glasses, and you can earn between $9 to $20. This means every single day you can earn somewhere within that range depending on the strategy it falls on, and if you are lucky you can actually earn up to $20. But this depends on how consistent you are in watching videos after you must have purchased your preferred glasses. So with this income calculator, before you even start, you already know how much you can make realistically. But let me tell you the truth, some people are just so lazy. They register, refuse to watch videos, and then complain that they are not earning anything. If you don't watch videos daily, you won't earn, period. And don't forget, your free glasses will expire after a while. So if you want to continue earning, you have to buy glasses. That's the real deal. Now, let me show you another exciting feature called the Wheel of Fortune. This is not your usual lucky spin. It's a Telegram bot where you get to spin a virtual wheel and win real stuff. I'm talking cash prizes from $1 to even $1,000, an iPhone 16, exclusive Cheelee products, and special promo codes. And the best part, you get one free spin immediately after you join. No pressure, no payments, just pure excitement. And if you want more spins, just share your referral link and invite friends. That's it. The more you share, the more chances you have to win something big. You can do this every day and it's free. So if you haven't registered yet, take the link in the description of this video or in the comment section to get started. Sign up and start cashing out. Now to the part everyone is waiting for, how to withdraw. A lot of Cheelee users don't know how to do this one, but I'll walk you through it slowly. So to watch videos, you get paid Lee tokens, which is credited into your internal wallet. But to be able to withdraw it, you would have to transfer it to your external wallet. While some people choose to withdraw it from their internal wallet directly to their card, I prefer to transfer it to my external wallet to avoid unnecessary charges. To transfer from your internal to external wallet, all you have to do is to click on your Lee balance and you'll be redirected to where you can click on the transfer button to transfer to your external wallet. So now that your Lee tokens are in your external wallet, you can finally withdraw. Cheelee recommends withdrawing coins into a Mexi account, but for me, I made use of MetaMask because that's what I'm more familiar with, and then the process was very seamless. But if you know how to withdraw into your Mexi account, if you have an account, you can go ahead. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using MetaMask. If you don't have a MetaMask account, all you have to do is to head to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download the MetaMask app. Once you have an account all set up, you log in. MetaMask is also a crypto exchange platform, just like your popular Bybit and Binance. So if you're not too familiar with it, there is no problem at all. It's also secured, and I was able to withdraw my earnings from MetaMask directly into my Bybit wallet and then finally converted it to my local currency. I hope you're still following till this moment. Let me quickly show you how I did all this. But before that, I want to be sure that you are subscribed to the channel and liked this video by now. Or have you not gained something so far? Let me know in the comment section now. Alright, so pay close attention to this. For you to withdraw into your MetaMask account that's from Cheelee, you would have to import your external wallet from Cheelee into your MetaMask account. So to do that, you click at the top where it says account and then click on the last one that says add account or add wallet. You can see account 2 is my Cheelee wallet, but I just want to show you how to do it. All right, now see here it says Ethereum account private key. Is private key you're going to click on, so click on that and then you'll be prompted to paste a private key in the open box provided here. So now we're going to go to our Cheelee app to copy our private key and then import it into MetaMask. So back to our Cheelee account, we are in our external wallet currently. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see the settings icon. Click on it, and then when you click on it, you'll be redirected to this place where you can get your security details, including your private key. One thing you need to note is that immediately you copy this, you have to save it somewhere. Although if you forget to save it somewhere, you can always come back here to check for it. And do not share this seed phrase or private key with anybody. Okay, so now what we are going to copy right now is not the seed phrase, but this particular one here. So click on that copy icon and then head back to MetaMask and paste it in that provided space. Once you paste it, click on import immediately. Your account will be imported, meaning everything that is being displayed on your Cheelee's external wallet would be displayed on your account. But if you can't find your balance displayed on your MetaMask account, it means you've not changed this icon to BNB. You know, that's the coin network that we copied from the Cheelee app. So click on this icon here and then change it to the BNB coin. That's the BNB smart chain. So once you have done that, your balance from Cheelee will automatically appear here. Your Lee tokens would have been displaying by now. You see your balance, how much you have, and everything that is in your Cheelee external wallets. So once you've seen your funds, the next thing now is for you to swap the money to BNB. That's swapping Lee to BNB, okay? Because that's how you can finally then transfer it to any other exchange or blockchain that you want to transfer it to, like Binance, Bybit. For me, I used Bybit. So right now we're going to convert or swap, it's what's it called, or MetaMask already. So we're going to convert it to BNB, and then from there I'll then withdraw it to my Bybit account. I believe you know how to transfer or convert your funds from Bybit to your local currency. If you do not know, let me know in the comment section below. Now click on your Lee token. You'll be redirected to this place. Scroll up and then click on the swap button. When you click on the swap button, you'll be brought to this page. So you can see select a token, click on it. Okay, we are converting our Lee tokens to BNB. So click on BNB. Note you have to have like some amount of BNB because they're going to take a little charge or token for this conversion. So make sure you have some in your wallet. But if you don't have and you would like me to help you out with that, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So now, how much do we want to transfer? I want to convert all my Lee tokens, so I'm just going to click use max since I'm converting everything. So scroll up and click on get quotes so that they can do the conversion. So while I was trying this out, testing it for myself, there's this mistake I made. I went ahead to convert my Lee tokens to USDT first before realizing that I should have just went straight ahead to convert my Lee tokens to BNB, and then from there I can transfer my BNB to my Bybit wallet using the BNB smart chain address. So do not make that mistake. Just automatically convert your Lee token to BNB and then transfer it out. That's why you can see now I had to rush and then convert my USDT back to BNB before I was able to transfer it out of my wallet to my Bybit wallet, where I can then do the necessary, since I'm very familiar with Bybit. Okay, so now the transaction is finally complete and I've successfully swapped my tokens to BNB, and it has reflected in my balance, just as you can see. Now the BNB is ready to go out into any chain at all, be it Bybit or Binance. I'm going to go to my Bybit account now and copy out my BNB Smart Chain wallet address, and then come here, click on my BNB what's it called, account, my BNB token rather, and then scroll up and click the send button. Remember the wallet address we copied from Bybit, you paste it here. You click on next and then put the amount in dollars that you want to transfer. Make sure you leave out some for charges. So this is what we are going to receive in return as BNB. You can scroll to check the amounts that they'll be charging for the conversion, and then afterwards you just click on send. Okay, so now I've clicked on send and I just got a notification that I've successfully sent the BNB, and then the money has disappeared from my wallet. And almost immediately, so fast, I got a notification on Bybit that I've successfully received a deposit. Yes, so my money don't land. And this is my Bybit account. As you can see, my balance has changed. Now I have my money in my Bybit account. From here, I can just do what I want to do with the funds. You can sell it to a merchant, or you can transfer it to me to convert it to your local currency. That's for Nigerians though. So that's it. I have just successfully withdrawn my money or earnings from the Cheelee app. If you're still confused or you want more tips and support, I have a Telegram community where I explain everything in full. Join us now. We are building a small cash team there. You'll find all links mentioned in the description of this video. So if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's keep making money online the smart way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.